Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the about phone section, then go to the backup and restore. At the Google Backup section, go to the Backup My Data, enable Turn on Backups. Then what you have to do is to add a backup account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Then you have to agree with Google's service and privacy policy. And then tap Accept and Turn on. And after that, your device will be ready for the backup. It will actually backup automatically with this feature enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.